Good morning, dear parents and students. I, Dhanmala, will be taking your science class. Today's date is April 8th, 2020 and the day is Wednesday. Today in science chapter 2, we are going to take the chapter number 2, parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. There are two main parts of a plant. Actually, we have two main parts of a plant, root and shoot. The part that is below the ground is called root. The part that is below the ground, जो part हमारा ground से नीचे होता है, जो हमें दिखाई नहीं देता है, that is called root. And the part above the ground is called shoot. जो part plant का हमारा ऊपर होता है, ground से ऊपर होता है, that is called shoot. Shoot में क्या क्या आता है? It consists of stem, leaves, bud, flowers and fruits. These are all parts of the plant. It consists in shoot. So there are two main parts, root and shoot. You can see in the picture, root below the ground and shoot above the ground. Let's study root. Root is the part of the plant that usually grow below the ground. You can't see the roots. These are actually under the ground. Roots जो होती हैं वो ground के नीचे होती हैं, हमें वो दिखाई नहीं देती हैं. You can see in the picture, this is the ground and below the ground there are roots. Several roots are there. So we will study two main types of roots. There are two main types of roots. What are these? Tap roots and fibrous root. We will study them one by one. First, tap root. What is tap root? Thick, main root below the stem which goes deep into the soil is called tap root. You can see in the picture that in tap root, there is a main root. There is a main root, thick main root, and from this main root, several branches of roots are coming out. So this type of root is called tap root. This type of root is called tap root. For example, plants such as bean, mustard, and hibiscus. These are some examples of the plant. Those have tap roots. Okay. Now, fibrous root. What are fibrous root? Fibrous roots have no main root. It doesn't have any main root. A number of roots grows at the end of a stem are called fibrous root. Stem ke below, just below the stem, several numbers of roots are coming out. बहुत सारी roots का bush निकल के दिखाई देता है and this is called fibrous root. It makes a fibrous. So it is called fibrous roots. It looks like a bunch of roots. देखिए, these looks like a bunch of roots. So this type of root is called fibrous roots. The examples of this type of root is rice, wheat and onion. These are some example. Rice, wheat and onion. These have fibrous roots. Okay. Now what are the functions of root? You know that no plants can live or grow without roots. कोई भी plant without roots नहीं रह सकता है. So roots are very important. What are the functions of roots? First, roots help the plant stay fixed to the soil. Root की help से plant जो होता है वो fix रहता है soil से. And second one, root absorb water and minerals from the soil and pass them to the plants. Roots water और minerals soil से absorb करके plants में pass करता है. So root absorb water and minerals from the soil and pass them to the plant. And you know that some plants store food for the plant. कुछ plants होते हैं वो store करते हैं food for the plants. These are some special roots which store food. Roots of plants like radish, turnip, beetroot, carrot. These roots store food and we eat these roots. We eat these roots. What are the examples? Turnip. Turnip is also a root which is below the ground and we eat turnip. Beetroot is also an example of root which is grow below the ground and this we eat it. Radish and carrot, you know, these are also roots that we eat. So these are some special roots that we eat. Now, students, these are some questions for you to practice. Question 1, fill in the blanks. Roots help us dash, stay fixed to the soil. We have two options. You can choose the option. When you go through the content that I have taught you, you can easily get the answer of these questions. Second one, the dash is a part of a plant that is below the ground. Yes, we have studied this. Okay. Now, the second question is, give one example for each of the following. We have studied taproot, we have studied fibrous roots, and we also have studied roots we eat. So, you have to give one examples in each. Okay. Now, students, you have to go through with the content that I have taught and answer these questions. Dear parents, kindly help your ward to understand the concept. I'll come with the next video in which we will study rest part of the plant. We will study stem and leaf in the next video. Till then, stay healthy. Thank you.